Hello community. In this video, we are going to look at two super important tools for any serious project, vesting and lock token. These tools are fundamental for building trust in your project and managing token distribution professionally. Before we start, let's understand the differences between these two tools. Lock token locks the tokens for a specific period. Once the period is over, all the tokens can be claimed at once. Vesting tokens release the tokens gradually. For example, you can set up a monthly release over a year. Both tools are perfect for team tokens, investors, and rewards. Let's first see how to lock a token. We go to the Lock Token section, then Create. We select the token we want to lock. We add the beneficiary. We specify the amount. We set the unlock date. We confirm the transaction, and that's it. The tokens will remain locked until the specified date. This process is irreversible, which provides a lot of security to investors. Now let's move on to vesting, which is a bit more complex. We go to token vesting, then to Create. We select our token. We add the beneficiary, total amount of tokens. If we want a certain amount of tokens to be released when the vesting starts, the date that will start the vesting and its duration. For example, whether it is in a month, a year, or 10 years. In this case, we will set weekly unlocks over the course of a month. That is, there will be 4 unlocks. And we click the button to create the vesting. Now let's look at the handling and management of the locked tokens. Let's go to Log Token. And here we have my locked tokens and the general tokens. In the case of the general locked tokens, we see all the tokens that are locked. We go to View Details, and we can see the number of tokens that are locked, the beneficiary, the date they were locked, and how long until they are released. Similarly, we go to Token Vesting list. We choose the contract and see the information. We can see when the next token release will be, how much time is left, the total amount, and how much has been released, as well as the beneficiary, and when the vesting ends, at which point all the tokens are released. Everything is transparent and verifiable on the blockchain. And well, some advice we can give you on this matter. Make sure to plan the lockup periods well. Clearly communicate the lockup terms to your community. Keep a record of all addresses with vesting. Ensure you have enough tokens before setting up, and consider different configurations for different user groups. And that's how easy it is to use locked token investing in Token Labs.